Mr. Uday. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, keep clapping because I'm calling on the celebrity guest, Miss Parineeti, popular Bollywood actress. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, keep clapping. We have the cricket legend, Brian Lara, our guest of honor. And ladies and gentlemen, hold on, we have our chief guest, Honorable Minister of Panchayat Raj, IT, Information Technology, Sri K.T. Rama Rao.
Brian Lara, the cricket legend, and Parineeti Chopra, distinguished guests, our media friends, our partners, our content partners who have been seeing me for last 7 years. Thanks a lot everyone for coming over. And it's a very exciting moment. We've been waiting for a long time to launch in India. You know, people have been asking, FTV has been in the expat market and why you're not launching in India. And the team has been waiting for last 1 year to launch in India, and this is going to be an exciting moment. And to be very frank, what we did, it's going to be a revolutionary and disruptive in terms of what we are going to offer. So how it all started actually, so my good friends Brian Lara and Vinod from TSTT have come all the way from Trinidad. So I used to live in Trinidad, and there's a 40% of the Indian community is actually from Indian community who doesn't have any Bollywood content. So that was the reason for which we've launched FTV initially. And since the broadband infrastructure was a problem, we initially launched in the US and now expanding into the other markets. So OTT, what is OTT actually? See, over the top. It's an internet TV actually. Today the biggest challenge you have in the cable and DTH or spectrum is the biggest challenge. So the number of channels, it's only broadcast one to many the way technology evolved. What we brought to disruption to the market at that time was able to get 30 channels at half the price, and that was a disruption we did over the top back in 2006, and that was the first time globally we launched. There were only two players. That was Jump TV and us when we launched in 2006. And now it has become today, the over the top, which is over internet video, has become the future of TV actually. Basically in terms of the growth, what we have done is we have reached more than 150 countries now. And, we've now launched in US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and, now we're going to get into the last 2 weeks back, we launched in Trinidad and Tobago. And in spite of 95% of employees in Hyderabad, we got to the top 100 companies in North America, and with the 200 employees. And why not launched in India? That was one of the questions. So people were asking. In 2006, the infrastructure was the biggest challenge, and in terms of the 2G, 2.5G network. So today, the Indian market is really big, and in terms of the 450 million internet users by 2019 and 250 million broadband by 2025. So FTV now in India actually. So India offering actually, what we have done in India is we are actually providing more than 200 channels, and more than 5,000 7 days of catch-up TV. Catch-up, what is a catch-up is like, if you miss the program, you can go back and watch for the last 7 days. That's called catch-up. And in terms of movies, we have a largest catalog of more than 5,000 movies stored on the catalog, which is the largest in the today's OTT space. And multiple devices access, like you can reach, whether it is mobile, whether it is TV, whether it is, multiple devices, you could have the access. In terms of the languages, we have covered more than 12 languages across more than 200 plus channels in different, from Kannada to Urdu. So, for a content providers, this is a platform, this is a technology which enables to reach, multiple devices. So I want to explain the catch-up TV. So, the whole catch-up TV as a concept is, when parents go to the US, like you are watching Star 9 o'clock, you miss the program, then like multiple channels are there, so you miss the program and you can go back and watch. That's the concept called catch-up. So 9 p.m. show, if you miss the program, for last 7 days, you can go back and watch the program. That's called the huge feature where we brought to the table is a catch-up. So basically, it's a redefining the TV experience. The way you are sitting at 9 p.m. and watching the show, instead that, you can basically go back and watch it at your convenience is what the redefining TV experience. So movies, we have the 5,000 now movie catalog, and it's going to be extended to 8,000 movie catalog, which will be the largest catalog we have. In terms of, it will be the single point of destination for the movies in terms of the VOD content. And there's also TV shows. We've acquired more than 10,000 hours of content, actually TV shows which can be watched at any time at any device. So in terms of the 100 TV shows, instant episode updates, classics, these are all the biggest catalog in the industry we have. And I think this is the one I want to focus, which is really important, is the real-time recommendation. First time, YapTV is globally for the first time. So if you have linear TV, when you are watching in a satellite or cable, most of the time you're going up and down to see which program you want to watch. So what we have done is every end user, we're capturing what he's watching, and in the real time, when you open the TV or mobile, you can see exactly which program is the most watched program, and that's what is called as the real-time recommendation. The first time we have done in India, actually globally also is the first time. So if you see the trending live, when we open it up, you will see the most watched program. You don't need to check out, go up and down on the channels, and you'll see Colors is the most watched program now, and it's based on the number of people watching instantaneously. And also there's a time shift feature where you go back to home and there is a program at 7:30, you miss the program, you can go back and rewind it and watch. It is called as time shift feature. So the internet infrastructure in India, which is the biggest challenge, is they adapt the GPRS and 2.5G, 3G, 4G. There is a lot of challenges in terms of the internet video streaming is done. So we have built 7 bit rates where you go to countryside also, the video can be played. So it's a completely bufferless experience is what we have provided as a solution. Basically no buffering solution. So in terms of the screens, we have, you are able to watch on iPhone, mobile, PC and the TV. In terms of the device, we have the largest device distribution, which is integrating the app into Sony, Samsung, LG, Panasonic, which gives us a more than 400 million devices reach households as YapTV integrated into. So just to summarize what we bring to the table today, YapTV is, first, we were the first to disrupt the international market. When we were there in the US, there were only 2 channels, and Gemini or a couple of Telugu channels in 2006. With the YapTV technology, today Indians all over the world what we brought to the table, we're able to watch all the home content back from 2007. We're the first to disrupt in the OTT space. And based on the disruption, US also picked up one of the major players, Sling, Dish Network has launched Sling. In India, with this kind of catalog, with 200 plus channels, more than 10,000 movies, plus 25,000 hours of VOD, and able to watch on multiple devices at any time is the first time India we are launching. And secondly, able to do a real-time discovery, and you don't need to surf 300 channels to watch which is the most popular. We have done first time globally in India. So road ahead, we will be bringing some marketplace, breaking news and smart device as a part of our strategy. So the team behind YUP-TV, we have basically a senior team and a junior team, a combination of youngsters and experienced people, because today the India age group is average median age is 27, and we have built the team which is a combination of youngsters and senior people. So people come from Damon Johnson is here, he's a PlayStation 3, used to run the App Store, and M.V. Prabhakar is a CTO, has 36 years of experience, and then all youngsters put together, we have put together a team which to take on to the YUP-TV in India.
Ms. Pariniti Chopra to kindly please come on to the stage and share her views with us.
Hi, good morning everyone. Thanks Mr. Uday for that. I just have to say that I'm actually very excited because whenever we used to travel abroad, the only way to catch TV shows was the internet. And it's so cool that in this digital age we are not behind anybody else, and we have our own app finally in India as well. We don't have to depend on going to any website, waiting for it to buffer. We have it on our phone. For me personally, this really works because I miss each and every show that I want to watch on TV. I never make it in time. I'm either shooting or I'm working. I'm never at home to catch it at the prime time. So I'm so glad that now I can go home worry free and just watch it the moment. Like even last night I missed a show that I want to watch, so I'm going to watch it on my way back home right now. So I think it's really cool, at least for youngsters like me. I think this is the way forward. I Google everything. I'm on my phone all the time. So this is so cool that I can catch up on films, on my music, on TV, everything. So thank you for bringing it to India, finally. We've been waiting for a while, just like you. And I'm so glad that I got to come to Hyderabad, be a part of this launch, and also meet the legendary Mr. Brian Lara. It was really an honor to sit with you and have a small chat with you. I'm actually like a fangirl right now, so thank you for being so sweet. And thank you, everybody. I hope you have a great day.
So it's time to call on the cricket legend, yes, one of the greatest cricketers of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Brian.